Hi guys, very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and see again I am back to teach you one interesting story in English literature unit 3 and the chapter name is the best things to do. Now, I hope you all guys are safe and enjoying your vacation as well as online classes also. And I might guess that you guys are receiving all the homeworks and you are doing in the separate wise copies. So I must guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So please stay at home, eat healthy and stay safe. Now, in this chapter, we will see about the three animals goat, lion, and jackal. It is the story of three animals. So, here we go. Let's start the chapter. Once there was a very old, very clever goat. She was late going home one evening, but she saw a cave. What is the best things to do? She thought, I know the best things to do is to stay in the cave tonight. Then it is the story of goat. Once a very clever goat. She was very late because for to reach the home. So that time it's a evening and very fast the dark clouds came. So she just saw one cave and then she thought that from this cave what is the best things that I can do. Then she thinks that the best things that I can stay at tonight at this cave. Then and it would have been the best things to do. But the cave was the den of fierce lion. Then she thinks that that is the best place to stay tonight so that we can be safe. Then she thought that but it was the cave of very angry lion. The goat smelled him. So, but it was too late. She saw the lion hiding at the entrance. He was wetting the pawns on her. Now she thought, what is the best things to do? I must be brave. Then the goat, she just smelled the lion. Then she think that it was too late to go home because it's night, so it's very dangerous. If I can go home, then any animals can come and then it can eat. So it's better that safe place is there to hide in the safe, to stay in the cave. Then she saw the lion who is hiding at the door gate side where that he is living on the cave. Then she might think that what is the best thing that I do. Then she thinks that I must be brave. So let's see that what happened. Then so she walked right up to the entrance of the cave and shouted lion. Then she just entered the gate of the cave and then she started shouting that lion. Then and that was the best things to do. No creature had even walked up to the lion like that and shouted at him. Then she think that this is the best thing that I am doing because no one creature can goes to the lions and then they are shouting at him. But I am the first goat who is shouting in front of the lion. Then he was very surprised. Then lion was very surprised that a goat he came in front of my entrance cave gate and he's asking me that come out. Then who are you? What do you want? Roared the lion. Then very angrily the lion asked that who are you and what do you want here so you just came in my cave. Then she replied, I am the great queen of the goats. Then the goats replied to the lion that I am the great queen of all the goats. She said, I do not have long to live, and I have promised myself that before I die I will eat 100 tigers, 50 elephants and 25 lions. Then she said to the lion that I have very short times to live, so I promised myself before die, so I promised myself that I will eat 100 tigers, 50 elephants and 25 lions. Then I have already eaten the 100 tigers and 50 elephants. Then she said to the lion that I have already eaten the 100 tigers and the 50 elephants. Then the lion become very scared of the goats. Then now I am starting on the lions. Then she said that the goat said that I have finished the tigers and elephants. Now from today I will start to eat the lions. Then the lion was scared out of his wits. Then the lion was very frightened. He became very scared of the goat because she said a lie that she has eaten tigers and then elephants. Then please don't eat me, he cried. Then the lion cried, please don't eat me. Then the lion became very scared from the goat. Now in next video just see that what happened with the lion. So you guys must watch the next videos. Thank you.